Nu Skin Enterprises China, a global anti-aging product distributor known for its rapid growth, chose Dubai Business Events, the official convention bureau, to create the Nu Skin 2014 Success Trip to recognize top salespeople and motivate them to reach greater heights. This 7-wave program of 14,500 attendees total was the single largest incentive group ever welcomed by Dubai. Each wave of 2,000 had a 4- to 5-day tour of the United Arab Emirates, with over 49 tailored itineraries. Activities included visiting the top of Burj Khalifa, touring the Dubai Mall, and riding a monorail across the iconic Palm Jumeirah Island. They experienced gala dinners, team-building activities, and company training workshops. Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, Vice President and Prime Minister of the United Arab Emirates and ruler of Dubai, personally visited delegates. The program made history with an estimated impact of $80 million to Dubai's economy. Dubai's tourism stakeholders pulled together with meticulous coordination to deliver a seamless motivational experience that exceeded Nu Skin's expectations and raised its company profile.